In this video, we're going to talk about the 3 things that rideshare drivers can avoid that are very simple. Hi, thanks for joining me at the channel. If you like what you see today, make sure you hit the subscribe button to see future content. First thing I notice when I'm getting a ride from an Uber driver: where's your trade dress? There's no sticker in your window. Why are you doing that? It's a simple thing. When you're waiting on the side of the road, you're looking for that sticker. Now, I drive a little bit myself, and I always have that sticker on the right side of my car. That's where it's supposed to be located, in your right window. When I'm waiting for someone to come pick me up, I'm not just looking for the car itself, I'm looking at that window, at that little location where the sticker is supposed to be. When it's not there, I'm not supposed to see it. But when you cut it up to this little tiny cube, it doesn't make sense either. Put the sticker in your window. Number 2, you ever jump into an Uber car and you look and there's dirt everywhere? Clean your car. I can't tell you how uncomfortable it is to be going to work in the morning. It's 6 in the morning, a guy pulls up, doesn't have a sticker on his car. You jump in, there's dirt everywhere, and it stinks. It just smells. There's a weird odor, you don't know what it is. It's body odor, it's dirt, it's spilled fluids, who knows? Doesn't matter, you need to clean your car. Vacuum the seats, maybe baking soda, maybe go get it detailed. Spend the money, because I guarantee those are where all your 1-star reviews are coming from. Number 3, and this is huge, and I feel like it's obvious. I don't know why drivers do it anyway. Speeding. What the hell are you doing? First off, it's illegal to go beyond the speed limit. It's illegal. That should be enough in itself. Second off, you're scaring the crap out of me. You're scaring the crap out of whoever's in your car. All right, let's go back to the first scenario. 6 in the morning, there's no sticker on your car. Now I'm irritated. Your car stinks. Now I'm extra irritated. And now you're tailgating everyone, speeding, jogging through traffic like a madman. That would be the number 1 reason you're getting a bad rating and you're not getting tips and your rating is going down. So avoid these 3 things. Get the sticker in your window, clean your car, drive under the speed limit. Just be safe. Think about it. You get paid by the minute, not just the mile. So it doesn't make sense to break the law, drive like a maniac, not get any tip, probably get a bad rating, just to sit and wait and lose all that time waiting for your next ride when you could be making money, going a little bit slower, possibly getting a tip and getting a good rating. Thanks for coming to the channel. Remember, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you think there's anything worse than those 3, please leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you and I'd love to talk about it. Tell me your worst story you've ever had from another driver, especially if you drive yourself.